Most people think building an online business requires 40 hours a week and a massive lifestyle change. But in 2026, the game has shifted. You don't need more time, you need more leverage. If you're working a 9 to 5 and feel like you're too busy to start, this 2-minute breakdown is going to change how you look at your schedule. The hustle culture lies to you. It tells you to wake up at 4 a.m. and grind until midnight. But that's a one-way ticket to burnout. The reason most busy professionals fail isn't a lack of effort. It's because they're trying to do manual labor in a digital world. They're trading hours for pennies because they don't have a system that works while they're actually at their job. Real freedom doesn't come from working harder, it comes from automation. You need a business that can generate leads, send emails, and make sales while you're in a meeting or sleeping. You don't need a 40-hour work week, you need a 2-hour Workday system. At Daily Profits Now, we focus on high-leverage systems designed for busy people. Automated funnels, your digital storefront that never closes. Done-for-you content. Stop staring at a blank screen. Use proven templates. The 2-hour workflow, a focused roadmap that tells you exactly what to do in the small pockets of time you actually have. Imagine ending your workday, opening your laptop, and seeing that your business grew while you were busy with your life. That's not a dream, it's just good engineering. If you want to see the automated roadmap we recommend for busy 9 to 5ers, check out the free breakdown at the link below. No fluff, just a path to leverage. Click the link in the description to see how it works.